'Twas the night before Christmas at Awesome HQ.
The team prepped the switch on. The soft starlight grew.
Right, everyone, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Decorations went dark. No power in sight. They needed something beastly to bring the lights to life.
Hour 6.
Let's go.
Dino power generation complete.
With engines tuned up and vaults running strong, the lights illuminated the night. Christmas at Awesome was on.